Hello, good morning. My name is Donna, and I am from Gator.ws. Now, at Gator.ws, we're here to service small businesses getting online. And I know many people just don't have time to do everything that needs to be done to start a process. Websites are difficult to build. I've got site builders that I offer. I do training. I can teach you how to do search engine optimization and the description. Search engines look for only two things. The first thing is keywords. What is it your company does? And by what they do, you have to target exactly what they do. So you pick your keyword and then you move on to the description. Description is your target location, your geographical location, and it has to be exact. You need a street name, a number, state, town, zip code. It has to be exact. Then you're ready to proceed. Create a Gmail account, and that is the biggest search engine online, Google, as you know. So we start with the Gmail account, create an ID and password, and we move on. We create your maps. We can get you a small advertising page. It costs $25 a month with Google. It will grow your business at a rate of 30% to 50% a year. If you're a small local company and you just want visits to your shop, it's a perfect advertising campaign for the internet. Now we offer 3 site builders, and one I will come and I will show you how to do it. The training is very inexpensive. 2, you can build it by yourself, or 3, you can hire my services for a 3-month period, and I will build everything from your website, your social media management, your ads, and your maps, and I will get you seen on the internet. Creating a website can be very expensive, and if that's all you do, you will not achieve the goal that you're out to achieve with a website. You really need somebody that can focus in on a small business and build your company online. It's very simple. Once the process is done over a 3-month period of time, we enter all your information and you create accounts like Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, Dig, LinkedIn. Merchant Circle is a very good one to create content and bring up your rankings so that you're higher in the free content area. You won't have to pay for AdWords at $9 a click. So please call Gator.ws and we can give you some expert advice. We can check out your website and see where you're being found and what you need. Thank you very much.